Toyota's new luxury EV gets over 3,000 orders in just 1 hour. BYD hits a major charging milestone. And a Chinese robotaxi company just launched Singapore's first public autonomous ride service. Let's dive in. Toyota just launched its new flagship electric sedan in China, the BZ7, and the response has been overwhelming. Over 3,100 orders came in within the first hour of launch. What makes this car special? It starts at just $22,000 and is absolutely packed with Chinese tech. We're talking Huawei's Harmony OS 5.0 for the infotainment, Xiaomi's smart home integration so you can control your home appliances from the car, and Momenta's advanced driver assistance with roof-mounted LiDAR. It has a 15.6-inch floating touchscreen, a 27-inch heads-up display, zero-gravity seats with massage, and even a built-in refrigerator. Range is up to 435 miles, and it can add 186 miles of range in just 10 minutes with fast charging. This is Toyota partnering with China's biggest tech companies to compete in the world's largest EV market. Chinese autonomous driving company WeRide just teamed up with Southeast Asian ride-hailing giant Grab to launch Singapore's first public robotaxi service. It's called AI.R, short for Autonomously Intelligent Ride, and it's now operating in the Punggol residential district. This is the first time an autonomous vehicle service has been introduced into a residential area anywhere. There are 11 self-driving vehicles running shuttle routes, and residents can book free rides during the trial period. Over 1,000 passengers have already participated in test rides since January. WeRide has now expanded to over 40 cities across 12 countries, with more than 1,000 Robotaxis in its global fleet. They're also training former Grab drivers to become remote safety operators for the autonomous vehicles. BYD just hit a major milestone, deploying its 5,000th flash charging station. The latest one opened at a highway service area in Lanzhou, northwest China. These aren't your ordinary chargers. They deliver up to 1,500 kilowatts of power per plug, which BYD says is the highest mass-produced single-plug charging power in the world. With BYD's second-generation Blade battery, you can charge from 10 to 70% in just 5 minutes. Even in extreme cold at -30 degrees Celsius, it only takes 3 minutes longer. BYD's goal? 20,000 flash charging stations by the end of this year, including one every 100 kilometers along China's highways. And here's the thing, these stations will be open to electric vehicles from other brands too, and BYD plans to bring them to overseas markets by year-end. ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, just released a standalone AI coding assistant called TRAE Solo. It's available in both desktop and web versions, with seamless cross-platform sync. What makes it interesting is the dual-agent system. You can switch between general task handling and development-focused workflows. Describe what you need in plain language, and the AI handles everything from planning to coding to execution. It supports parallel task processing in the cloud, so you're not sitting around waiting for one task to finish before starting another. It's currently in closed beta with free access for invited users. This is ByteDance making a serious push into the AI developer tools space, competing with the likes of GitHub Copilot and Cursor. Here's some big news for the future of batteries. The general manager of Hina Battery says sodium-ion battery costs will match lithium-ion costs by 2027. Right now, lithium batteries cost between 0.3 and 0.5 yuan per watt-hour, while sodium batteries are higher at 0.5 to 0.7 yuan. But sodium costs are dropping fast, while lithium faces upward pressure. The ranges are expected to converge and overlap by 2028. Why does this matter? Sodium is far more abundant than lithium, reducing supply chain risks. And real-world testing in heavy trucks shows sodium batteries deliver 15% lower energy consumption and about 20% longer range compared to lithium equivalents. They also perform better in extreme cold, with over 90% capacity retention at -20 degrees. We're watching a potential battery revolution unfold. Xiaomi just made a big hire for its automotive division. Kang Yenshuang, the former general manager for Tesla China, has joined Xiaomi to lead auto sales. She was a major figure at Tesla, overseeing sales networks across South China and later the entire China region. According to insiders, Xiaomi's retail system was actually designed with Tesla's model as a blueprint from the start. Many of their regional managers already have Tesla backgrounds. With the new SU7 getting over 15,000 orders in just 34 minutes at launch, Xiaomi is clearly serious about competing in the EV space. Bringing in Tesla's top China sales executive shows they're not just building great cars, they're building a sales machine to match. And that's your China Tech Daily Update. From Toyota's Chinese tech-packed EV to BYD's charging infrastructure push to Xiaomi poaching Tesla's top talent, China's tech ecosystem continues to evolve at breakneck speed. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and the notification bell. See you in the next one.